When you come to our office, we try to be ourselves. My staff is great at taking care of everybody before and after surgery. When I see the patients, I just try to be honest with them and tell them what I think they need to have done. And I listen to them and find out what they want to have done and see if we can fix it together. If we can do that, then it works out to be a really good relationship.
Dr. Hackney and his practice, they genuinely care about what they're doing. They obviously care about women feeling better about themselves. And one of the things for me, being an older woman and never having done this before, was the feeling of kind of a threatened feeling, but I never felt that when I came in, which was very relieving.
The atmosphere at Dr. Hackney's office is very laid back and very welcoming. When you first come in the door here, someone's always here to greet you. All the nurses are very kind and very warm, and Dr. Hackney is a very approachable doctor. I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do for my procedure. There were different options available, and Dr. Hackney walked me through different options that I had and weighed the pros and cons, and then offered suggestions, but ultimately left the decision up to me. Through his expertise, was able to offer options that would be best based on my needs and my recoveries.
When you stay up with technology and you keep abreast of your field, that you can offer the patients the most up-to-date things. In the exam rooms, we have a touch screen. On that screen, we can draw pictures of the anatomy for the tummy tuck. We can give them a good idea of what they may look like with a certain size implant. And that's very helpful because they can do that in the office. We can make pictures of them with the sizers in, and we can save that to a server. So when they leave our office, they get a password and they can review the consult from home. I think it gives the patient a sense of what they're going to get.
After meeting Dr. Hackney, not only did I feel that he was and is very competent, but for me, the main thing was just feeling a sense of trust, and that he seemed like he had time for me and that he genuinely cared about this process from the beginning to the end.
One of the deciding factors for me when I was researching surgeons, I spent a lot of time reading the reviews online and different perceptions people had on the doctors and their experience, and the reviews really are what solidified me choosing Dr. Hackney, because he had an overwhelming response from his patients, and my experience was the same with that I would definitely recommend Dr. Hackney and his practice to anyone who's looking for a plastic surgeon in Dallas.